Welcome to Raji's Cooking Show. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video so everyone can benefit and live a healthy life. Also, don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for your support. Today we are making a healthy no-bake energy roll packed with nuts and fruits. These are the ingredients that I will be using for this dish. Dried fruits, 60-gram dates, 60-gram cranberries, 40-gram plums, 80-gram raisins. Soak the dried fruits for 15 to 20 minutes. Lightly toast the nuts and seeds. Drain the water from the dry fruits using a strainer. Then pat dry them with a paper towel and finally chop the fruits into small pieces. Add the cottage cheese, yogurt and honey to a blender and blend into a smooth creamy mixture. Look at that creamy texture. Add the gelatin to the warm water and gently stir till the gelatin melts. Keep it aside. Mix all the prepped ingredients into a large bowl. Mix everything together. Transfer the mixture into a mold and smooth it. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. This helps the flavors meld together. And that's our chilling step. Healthy, delicious and full of energy. Get the nutritious roll out of the refrigerator and slice it into even slices.